so everyone can hear our voice. Long live international solidarity!
Long live international solidarity!
Today, migrant workers in Hong Kong stand in unity for 1 billion rising to continue revolution. Our plight, our suffering, our issues still neglected by government. We are not recognized because we are poor, because we are women. We are suffer discrimination from the day when we born and throughout our life. We discriminate in our society, isolated abroad, and also they didn't recognize our works as migrants, as workers, as women. So today, through 1 billion rising, we want to show that we are not afraid. We want to show that we are ready to fight to get the justice. We want to dance to show that we want to continue the revolution. We know that our body used as commodity in the labor export program in our governments. They use our body as the cheap labor in Hong Kong and also other receiving countries. So we need to stop it. Because we are human, we are women, and we are not slaves. We need to show that we are not afraid. We know that many people around the world, Hong Kong people, they are stand in solidarity with us. We're not alone in Hong Kong. More migrant domestic workers in Hong Kong is women. They have to feel the same with us. Our crying just within employer wall. Nobody knows because of the policy in Hong Kong. Because they want to keep us become a poor. The government didn't want to change the policy because they want to continue to make us, to use us as the cheap labor. That's why we need to fight. You know? We need to fight now. We cannot wait. So, again, we need to continue our revolution. We need to continue echoing our voice because we only have voice. But we need to believe if we want to fight, will be a chance to win. There is a chance to get the justice. Long live